Hi guys, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to do the extended essay grading in Managebac. The way that Chelsea gave you is pretty self-explanatory, very straightforward and easy as well, but this is just a quicker method if you wanted to go this route. So I just wanted to give it to you all as well so you can have this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log in, of course, to Managebac, and then you're going to click on year groups, and then you're going to click on class of 2020, grade 12. Once you click on that, the class of 20's dashboard will come up, and you're going to click on extended essay. Once you get into the extended essay screen, the scholars' names that you are supervised should pop up at the very top of the screen. Once that shows up, you're then going to just click on whatever scholar you want to do first. So I'll click on this scholar, and now you are going to open up the scholar's document or their essay, and you're going to actually have to read it. And then once you finish reading it, you're then going to click on the assessment tab. Now, before I get to the assessment tab, I do want to say if the scholar does not have an essay here in the worksheet button or the worksheet tab, you can email me and ask me if they turned it in. However, if it is not here, it is likely that it was not turned in. Now, once you've read the essay and you have a clear understanding of what the scholar was talking about or what they wrote, you're then going to go to the assessment tab. In the assessment tab is all of the criteria of which you're going to grade the scholar on. So the first section is focus and method. Now, each of the numbers are called marks, and that's what you would give the scholar a mark according to how well you think they did. So, for example, if you think the scholar's work does not reach a standard at all, outlined by any of the descriptors below, then you would give them a 0. But if you think they do, you would just read the descriptors, and whatever you feel like whatever descriptor you feel like their essay matches, then that's the number you will choose. And you're just going to do the same step for all of the criteria. So knowledge and understanding, critical thinking, engagement, and then I think that's it. Yep. Once that is complete, you're then going to go down and write the comments about why you think this scholar should receive this score that pops up on the right side of the screen. Now, the score is only going to pop up once you press Save Changes, so please make sure you're pressing Save Changes. Now, once that score is there, you now give the scholar you now have given the scholar marks or a mark, and this mark is out of 36 marks. So this scholar in particular received 12 out of 36 marks. Now you have to give the scholar a letter grade according to the marks that you gave. The letter grade is going to come from this scale. So I'm going to give you this scale in a separate email, just so you can have it. But this is literally just telling you where letter grade they should get based on how many marks they got. So, for example, this scholar received 12 marks, so it is likely that they're going to receive a D, or the predicted score for this scholar is a D. Once that is done, you're just going to put that information in the Google Doc or the spreadsheet that Chelsea created, and you're done, along with your comments as well that you wrote here. Just copy and paste that into the spreadsheet, and you're finished. If there are any questions, please feel free to email, text, or call me. I'm available anytime. So if this is still a little bit confusing, you still need some help, just email me and I'll help you out. Or you can just use Chelsea's way if that is much easier for you. It does not matter as long as it gets graded and done. Thank you. Hope y'all staying safe and healthy. Bye-bye.